Ever dreamed of retiring in a tropical paradise without breaking the bank? Well, imagine a place with stunning beaches, lush jungles, and a vibrant culture that's as rich as the scenery. A place where luxury meets affordability, offering the ideal retirement lifestyle. Imagine waking up every day in your own piece of paradise, surrounded by nature's beauty and the warmth of the local people. This is no mere dream, but a reality that's within your reach. Look no further than Bali, Indonesia. When it comes to housing, Bali has a range of options to suit every budget. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter, finding your dream home in this tropical paradise. Bali's housing market is as diverse as its stunning landscape. Picture this. You wake up in a beachfront villa, the sound of the waves gently lapping at the shore, and the warm ocean breeze rustling the palm trees. Or perhaps you prefer a cozy apartment nestled in the heart of a bustling town with vibrant local markets and quaint cafes. Either way, you're not just buying a home, you're buying a lifestyle. What sets Bali apart is the extraordinary value. You can find a beautiful home here for a fraction of the cost compared to Western countries. It's not uncommon to find a two-bedroom villa with a private pool for less than the price of a small apartment in a major city back home. Another option favored by many retirees is long-term renting. This gives you the freedom to explore different parts of the island and experience the diverse cultures and landscapes Bali has to offer. It also provides the flexibility to travel, knowing your home is waiting for you when you return. So whether you're dreaming of a beachfront villa or a cozy apartment, Bali has it all. Find a beautiful home for a fraction of the cost compared to Western countries. Now that's what I call luxury on a budget. In terms of daily living expenses, Bali is incredibly affordable. Imagine tucking into a sumptuous meal at a local warung, a type of small family-owned restaurant or cafe. A plate of nasi goreng, Indonesia's beloved fried rice dish, or a bowl of spicy soto ayam, a traditional chicken soup, will only set you back a few dollars. The food is not just affordable, it's delicious, fresh, and made with love. And let's not forget the spa treatments. In Bali, you can indulge in a soothing massage, a rejuvenating facial, or an invigorating body scrub for a fraction of what you'd pay back home. Picture yourself relaxing in a tranquil spa, surrounded by the calming sounds of nature, while skilled therapists work their magic on your tired muscles. What's more, you can enjoy the luxury of having a housekeeper to help with the daily chores without denting your wallet. With affordable housekeeping services, your home can always be spotless, giving you more time to enjoy your retirement. But it's not just about affordability, it's about the quality of life. In Bali, you can enjoy world-class services and experiences without breaking the bank. And it's this blend of luxury and affordability that makes Bali a dream retirement destination. So go ahead, indulge yourself in Bali without worrying about the cost. Transportation is also easy on the wallet in Bali. Imagine for a moment cruising down palm-lined roads on a scooter, feeling the warm tropical breeze on your skin. It's not just an idyllic daydream, it's a daily reality in Bali. For as little as $50 a month, you can rent a scooter that will take you wherever you want to go, whenever you want to go. But if two wheels aren't your style, don't worry. Bali has embraced the digital age with a variety of ride-sharing apps that will get you from point A to point B without hassle. Even better, these services are incredibly budget-friendly, making it easy to explore every nook and cranny of this island paradise. From the stunning beaches to the lush interior, there's so much to see and do in Bali. With affordable transportation at your fingertips, the island is yours to explore. With its warm climate and breathtaking scenery, Bali is the perfect place to explore in retirement. So, if you're looking for a luxurious retirement lifestyle without breaking the bank, Bali has everything you need. This tropical paradise is a perfect blend of luxury and affordability. From beachfront villas and cozy apartments to delicious local cuisine and affordable spa treatments, Bali offers a lifestyle that's hard to match. Plus, with inexpensive transportation options, exploring this stunning island is always a treat. Bali truly is the ultimate retirement destination for those seeking a slice of paradise on a budget. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on retiring in style.